happy if we follow this rhythm and this mood. Unscrew the multinationals.